For most people, money is something they chase. For the one, it's something they control. From the moment you wake up, your life runs on someone else's system: your alarm, your job, your paycheck, your bills. The 1% saw that same system and decided to own it instead. They don't wake up thinking, how can I make money today? They ask, how can my money make more money while I sleep? The difference starts with mindset. The poor trade time for money. The rich trade ideas for freedom. When the average person gets paid, they think of spending. When the 1% gets paid, they think of multiplying. It's not luck, it's psychology. The 1% see money as a seed, the rest see it as a reward. They plant, water, and wait. That's why they talk about compounding, not income. Every dollar they earn is given a job: invest, grow, return. While most people buy comfort, the 1% buy leverage, businesses, stocks, systems, people, and time. They don't say, I can't afford it. They ask, how can I afford it? Because the rich know that every limitation is just an unasked question. They understand that time is the real currency. Poor people spend it, rich people invest it. The 1% live below their means to buy freedom above their reach. They value privacy over display, assets over applause. You won't always see them on Instagram, but you'll feel their influence in the companies you use every day. They play a different game, one based on patience, long-term vision, and emotional discipline. While others panic, they prepare. While others complain, they calculate. They don't need to look rich because they're building wealth. They know the system was never designed to make you free. It was built to keep you comfortable enough not to question it. So they stepped out. They read, failed, learned, built, and automated their life. Their goal isn't to retire, it's to never need to. The 1% spend their 20s building what others spend their 40s regretting. They understand that money flows to those who manage it with purpose. They study history, patterns, human behavior. They play the money game like chess, not roulette. They don't chase trends, they build them. When others scroll, they strategize. When others fear risk, they master it. Because the rich aren't fearless, they're educated. They know the real risk is staying average. Every empire starts in silence. Every fortune starts with a decision to stop being a consumer and start being a creator. The 1% don't just make money, they make systems that make money. And that's why they win. Because wealth is never about having more, it's about needing less. So if you truly want to manage your money like the one, stop chasing comfort and start chasing control. Stop asking how to make a living and start asking how to make a life that earns for you. Don't just work for money. Build something that works when you don't. Because at the end of the day, the rich don't spend their lives earning, they spend their lives creating freedom.